Welcome back, everyone. In today's video, we're taking a look at the Tennessee Valley Railroad Museum. Located in Chattanooga, Tennessee, next to Norfolk Southern's Atlanta North Line, the museum is the proud owner of several preserved Southern Railway diesel locomotives, as well as a host of rolling stock. But all things considered, none of this compares to what we're about to see at Tennessee Valley's first weekend of operating steam power in 2023. Our day starts at the Grand Junction station where the passengers board. This steam engine is the pride and joy of Tennessee Valley. She's locomotive number 4501, built in 1911 by the Baldwin Locomotive Works in Philadelphia and served on the Southern Railway for 37 years. Number 4501 is a Mikado-type locomotive with 2 pilot wheels, 8 driving wheels, and 2 trailing wheels. But today was no ordinary steam train trip though, because today I got the privilege of riding in the cab of this beast of a machine, followed by our engineer, Frank, and finally there was Joseph, our fireman. At 9:30 a.m., the train was ready to head west. Today's train is called the Missionary Ridge Local. It runs west along a 3-mile length of track, once owned by Southern Railway, which ends at the East Chattanooga Depot and the Restoration Shop. This is the first feature of the rail line, a trestle bridge on Chickamauga Creek. Occasionally, CSX local trains cross it to get to industries east of Chattanooga. Here, the Tennessee Valley Line crosses over the CSX main line. It's actually owned by the Western and Atlantic Railroad, but CSX has been leasing it for years. Then we came to a road bridge at Tunnel Boulevard. Built in 1977, it meant giving Tennessee Valley access to additional trackage, doubling the length of the line to what it is today. Access to that track also meant access to Whiteside Tunnel, my favorite feature on the line. It was completed in 1859. Just a few hundred feet later, we were pulling into East Chattanooga Depot. As we pulled in, I caught a glimpse of 4501's sister engine, number 630. Tennessee Valley has a total of 6 steam engines, some operational. The restoration work is done in the Robert Soule Shops, named after one of the founders of Tennessee Valley in 1960. After arriving, we got to see number 4501 turn around on the turntable so she could pull the train back to Chattanooga facing forward.
Alright, now ladies and gentlemen, like I told you a minute ago, today we're using an 80-foot turntable. Now your locomotive today, the 4501, it comes in at about 85 feet in length. Therefore, there's going to be about 2.5 feet of overhang on each side of our turntable. Now because of this overhang, folks, we do ask everyone to please remain well behind that yellow safety line you see painted on the ground in front of you. Ladies and gentlemen, the locomotive today is none other than the Oregon Southern Railway number 4501. This locomotive here was built in October of 1911 by the Blvd Locomotive Works and contains 37,086 product of Blvd. Now the locomotive here was built for use on the Southern Railway as a grain haul locomotive. It was the first locomotive built for the Southern Railway. Tennessee would replace steam locomotives with diesel electric locomotives. Now, the Junction, Tennessee was retired as locomotive. It would be purchased by cavalry purchased this locomotive. It would be delivered under full power to Chattanooga with cavalry ram locomotives. Ladies and gentlemen, we now stood up with track number 2, while our train sits on track number 1. Track 1. That is something before what is known as a runaround. Now what that means is that the locomotive is going to go past our train and then do a switch. The locomotive will then reverse back through that switch and leave up to be in our train. Well, once it's on inside of that and vice versa.
I'm here in the clear at the couple. Your line's in for 1. You have to a couple. Double.
We had a 30-minute layover before returning eastward to the museum. Joseph took Frank's place as engineer.
Whenever you're ready up there, we're ready to proceed, over.
You get Frank?
Yeah, go
ahead. I'll wait.
Soon we hit Whiteside Tunnel again. Next, we crossed back over the Western and Atlantic, and the next bridge was Chickamauga Creek. Here at Grand Junction, the train turns around using a Y track instead of a turntable.
Normal stop at Grand Junction.
Just remember to do it next time again, because if you put a little water down there, it makes it slide. Because I don't think they just put a grease down on it. Get you a lubrication. Clear?
With the train back in Grand Junction, our little adventure was done. I hope you enjoyed the cab ride. If you did, make sure to leave a like down below. Also, feel free to comment and share this video with your friends. Most importantly, if you're new to the channel, hit the subscribe button. With that being said, that's all I've got for you today. I'll see you all again soon, and thanks for watching.